So here we are, the final. Which of these teams will walk away with a trophy? Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. The sides are playing 3-4-3, plenty in attack, but maybe lacking in defence. They're playing 3 at the front, it's a 4-3-3 formation. And hurrah, this should be an entertaining game. Rakitic, what a well-timed tackle. Oh, he did really well there. Striker's ball. Great chance here. Ter Stegen, great save. Let's see that one again. Can they make something of this? And that one swung into the box. Ramos! Well timed and that's a rash challenge there. Alba. Oh, wonderful trickery here. Oh, look at that showboating. Alba. Oh, really good passing now. Great dribbling. He shoots, good block there. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. And their first shot of the day is off target. The keeper plays it short there. PK. Moving down the flanks here. And he plays the ball back. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Quality defending there. Suarez. Great footwork. Is this the moment? It's Suarez. And that is a fantastic goal. And here's a build-up to that great goal. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Rakitic, tackled by Piqué. The assistant's kept his flag down, he's on some. Oh, he must score, and he hits it. Quality goal. He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. The goalkeeper stood no chance. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. The defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break. Titi. It's a throw-in. And it's half-time there. Umtiti. Rakitic. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there, and he's back in possession. Using the width here. Got to admire skill like that. Suarez. It's with the striker. Another great challenge. Messi to take it. Looks like here's Dembele. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. They have the ball again. Alba. Vidal. Now it's Coutinho. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Busquets in possession. Oh, he did really well there. Good ball. Not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. The manager will be very happy here. Great performance from the winning team. They fully deserve to be lifting that trophy at the end of the day. Good interception. That's a free kick. Ambitious, his teammates won't be happy with that. That's high and won't trouble the keeper. And it's with the captain. Striker's ball. Is this the moment? Is Suarez? Oh, it's in. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. Let's see that again. Official has indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time, and the manager's making a change here. And the referee gets the game going again for Marlon. Now it's Coutinho. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Full time here. The Elite Cup is theirs. The manager will be delighted with adding this cup to the trophy cabinet.